So we have David Moai here. We are going to put a nickel in him and try to vend 3 things. We're going to do it 3 times, try to get 3 different things. So first, you want a pen, pencil, or key?
Pencil.
Pencil. Okay, what item number is the pencil? Oh, sorry, we're still loading. While we're waiting, I will put my... Alright, as I put my nickel in, note what happens to David Moai's eyes. Yeah.
Pencil, keys, or pen?
Nope. Doesn't work as well.
What do you want?
So we just did the 2 to work. Not connecting. Oh, there it goes. Okay, what number for the pencil?
Pencil is 129.
Alright, so we go down here, we press
Hopefully this will work.
1, 2, 9 pounds.
That's the least reliable one.
Oh, no, it came down.
Oh, it got it?
It came down.
Nice.
Well, now, let's see if we can get the other 2. We put the nickel back in. The eyes light up to take out our money.
You want keys or a pen?
Let's do the pen. The keys are the most dramatic.
The pen, 103 for the pen.
Press 1, 0.
And whatever button they press. And voila.
Did it get stuck?